Moment of silence for the curls. Y'all. Like, I mean, this is serious. Like, okay, I'm doing that thing that people do, but look, I'm being serious. I'm being serious. Henna. So these are going to be the 3 things you'll need is the pack of henna, mustard oil, or any other kind of oil you like. And I also use avocado oil. And I forgot, you will see me add mayo in later on. I just decided, and I was saying in the video that I would prefer a mayo that has egg in it, or actually adding a full egg, which I have done previously. If you'll check out my TikTok, there's another henna video there, and I did add an egg in it for extra protein. Other than that, those are simple ingredients, and make sure you're using a plastic fork. You don't want to use metal. You don't want those metal particles to get inside of the mix. So always use plastic utensils when mixing this together. So now you're going to add a glass of lukewarm water. I'm not going to add all of it at one time. I just slowly add as I continue to mix and find the right consistency. The right consistency, you'll know, is when all of the bubbles are out. So keep doing it, mix gently. If you need to add more oil as I did, go ahead. That is the final consistency right here. And then you cover with aluminum foil and you let sit for at least an hour. The longer you sit, the browner it is. Sitting this down.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't.
All right.
Be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
Now it's time to shower. So things you'll need is the henna that has been sitting for an hour and a half or 2, some gloves. I bring an extra pair just in case I need to take one off, and napkins, just because it's gonna get messy. I'm also gonna move the rug on the floor because somehow when I'm doing this, it just happens that the henna likes jumping down.
See, that's why I'm saying.
And it's terrible
what
to
I
wrap
said,
around
what I
yourself.
said, what I
So
said.
let's go ahead and open this up. I kept this here. This was the breakage from the wash. I'd say this is a pretty good amount, pretty small amount of breakage. Yeah. Hey, hair masks are working. Less breakage, stronger hair, right? Okay. Also flush my hair down the toilet because I was told that you're supposed to do that. Anywho, here we go. It is now a lovely brown. You see that? Remember when it was green? Love that, right? So we're gonna get ready, and then we're gonna slip these little bad boys on and get to do it.
I know you miss it, miss it.
This part I'm going to section the hair because it's so much easier to apply the henna directly to the scalp and through the root when you have it sectioned. So they're just loose sections. I don't put anything in to divide it, but if you need to, go ahead.
Cause see, this is what I'm saying when I said what I said when I said how I said it. Oh, y'all, this is what I'm telling you. Came back sooner than expected because moment of silence for the curls. Y'all,
Like, I mean, this is serious. Like, okay, I'm doing that thing that people do, but look, I'm being serious. I'm being serious. Look at the curl, the definition. It's just giving, oh my gosh. Oh, guys. Oh my gosh. Dang. How am I get so blessed? I love me. Okay. Yes, guys. Had to let you tune in for that little ASM. Yep. While I move on here to the front, I just wanted to talk to y'all about my hair growth journey. But if you remember or if you watched some of my old videos. Also, let me pause. So guys, let me pause. So guys, I decided that, well, for a while, I've thought about elephants. And if I have a totem, it's an elephant. And I don't know if you know, but if you don't, I even got it tatted on me. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I made a vlog of the day I got this tattoo, but I kind of feel like I did, so I have to look through my videos because I want to show you that. So if you are a returning subscriber, in the comments down below, comment an elephant. It symbolizes wisdom and a bunch of other stuff that I like. So I'm an elephant. Well, okay, I'm an elephant, sure. But anyway, all that was to say, back to my old videos. If you watched my old videos, like hair videos, or if you want to, check them out. They're still here on the channel somewhere. Actually, it's done. They have been organized for you from my past videos, so you can see when I was first getting to know my natural hair. So I was trying different stuff out, trying my best to grow it out. In the beginning when I was, I was trying to grow when I was, most of the times I would just like wear my work wig and go to work. Did I do it here? I don't know. Like, okay, at that first job, y'all, how many jobs have I had since I've been here? How many jobs have I had since I've been here? But, yeah, I would wear my work wig, blah, blah, and I was trying to grow my hair. Another moment of silence for the curls. Golly, if I can't even talk. Okay, so in comparison, those old videos, distractions. But that makes me feel like I'm really present when I keep getting distracted by little things. But it's like they're not bothering me. It's like I'm just noticing everything that's going on around me. I feel like I'm more present. So I'm feeling present today. Just a lot of notes here. Just a lot of the henna on my chin. Henna on my chin. Also, I am planning on going to a dermatologist soon here. Gotta figure that out because the prescription that Dr. Hicks Graham had given me, I ran out. So, alert, I need more. Alert, somebody.
But I definitely wanted to be a black dermatologist because I feel like she knows my skin, or he knows my skin better, you know? Because when I was in Columbus, I did at first go to a random dermatologist, and it was a white man, and he gave me one prescription and said, yeah, just use this. So I used it for a month and wasn't nothing happening. I mean, not to say it needs to be that fast, but something at least. So I was like, and you didn't even give me a routine, nothing. So I was like, okay. Then I started looking for a black dermatologist, and I found Dr. Hicks Graham of Downtown Dermatology. Okay, shout out Dr. Hicks Graham. That is what I mean about being gentle with your hair. Do y'all see? I literally took the time to sit there and to pull out that knot so I didn't have to rip my hair. That is what you gotta be doing. Okay, I know, okay, it is very tedious. We don't wanna do it, but if you wanna see more growth than breakage, you gotta, honey, you gotta. Anyways, back to the main story at hand. If you watch some of my past videos, in comparison to today, my hair, I feel like first of all, the overall health is just amazing. I think my hair health was pretty good before. Well, when I started to take care of it, like, okay, that's what I was saying. I worked that job for the first job with the work wig, like, not long. After that, I mean, what can I say? What can I say? So, watch that vlog, actually. I have when I ended that job. This is so nasty. Anyway, I'm like a kid. Anyway, so after that, I stopped wearing wigs, and then I was like, I'm gonna do protective styles with just my hair. I'm gonna figure it out. So I started doing it more often, and I was kind of vlogging in between, and then you could see the growth. Oh my gosh, the video of the ponytails. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I was seeing tremendous growth because I finally learned how to take care of my hair. That's when I started making these masks, different kinds of masks at home, and like the egg protein, okay, click. Anyways, so then I cut my hair, and I cut it because I just wanted to refresh and restart, cut off all of the, it does feel like it was spiritual, but because I was noticing like the amount of growth that was happening, but I felt like I needed to cut off what was dead, you know, just cut that off and allow what I had now just started taking care of, really fortifying, coming into her light. Now I just feel she's so clean. Anyway, but these treatments, you can tell like the growth I've seen in her. I just love her. Oh, she's amazing. I call her Plant. All right.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real blessed. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless.
Okay, so I just rinsed it out. Did that in the sink. Whew. And I conditioned it with my Aussie Moist conditioner. Curls are bussin'. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my leave-in conditioner. My favorite leave-in conditioner. You know it. I'm still true to the OG. Okay, this is the one. I got this at DJ's, my OG beauty supply store in Indiana. You feel me? As well as some oil. Now some grease, really. My hair likes to eat.
kind of like my mouth. So I have to keep her fed. I will be using some Blue Magic, and I did get a refill of this, so I'm gonna finish out my old Blue Magic grease and Sulfur 8 medicated original formula. You feel me? So these two will be going in here as well. And I just want to do a few braids. I want to go outside as well today, so I don't want it to take too long, and I don't want anything too tight. I want it to be loose. So I'm gonna start with the conditioner, and I might also put some of this in there to is it upside down? It was upside down. I might put some of this in there to help make it slicky. The first dip. Also, I feel like this is not filled up enough, guys. But it smells just as good as usual. I'm telling you, this is the truth. Eat it up.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless.